90% of car owners will never check a hidden $0 hole under their vehicle until the interior starts floating like a boat. Think about this scenario. You walk to your car after a heavy rainstorm. You open the door and a foul, musty smell hits your face. You look down and notice your floor mats are completely soaked. You press your hand against the carpet and water squirts between your fingers. Right now, beneath that wet carpet, thousands of volts of electricity are surging through your central computer module. The dealerships call this an ECU or a BCM. It is the brain of your vehicle. And when it gets submerged in trapped rainwater, it burns out instantly. A tiny leaf or a handful of dirt is currently blocking a hidden passage on your vehicle. And that blockage is about to turn into a $3,500 repair bill. But you do not need to panic. You do not need to call a tow truck. And you definitely do not need to visit a dealership. The manufacturers deliberately hide these drainage locations in your owner manual. They want your warranty to expire so they can charge you thousands for an entirely new electrical harness. Today, CoreCar is exposing the top 5 fatal drainage holes that are secretly rotting your car from the inside out. We will show you how to clean every single one of them using a $0 piece of old bicycle brake cable. Make sure you stay tuned until our number 1 spot. This hidden killer is not even outside your vehicle. It sits directly inside your cabin, right above your main computer system, and it floods your floorboard every single time you turn on your air conditioning. Let us start our countdown immediately with number 5. Top 5, the fuel door drain. Let us begin with number 5 on our list, a location that almost every driver completely ignores during weekly car washes. Imagine this scenario. You pull up to a gas station on a freezing afternoon. You pop open your fuel door and you immediately notice a tiny pool of dirty water sitting right around your gas cap. You ignore it, pump your fuel, close the door, and drive away. You think it is just a minor puddle that will dry up on its own. But here is the technical reality. Behind your fuel filler neck, there is a tiny, narrow rubber hose designed to route water down to the ground. Over time, road dust, pollen, and fuel residue mix together to form a thick black mud that completely plugs this passage. When this happens, water cannot escape. This is where the massive financial threat begins. That trapped water sits against your metal fuel filler neck for weeks. It slowly eats through the protective coating and creates microscopic rust holes. The next time it rains, or the next time you wash your vehicle, water leaks directly into those rust holes and mixes with your fuel supply. Water in your fuel system destroys your fuel pump, ruins your fuel injectors, and causes severe engine misfires. A simple clogged hole can turn into a $2,000 engine repair bill before you even notice a leak. Fortunately, the solution is completely free. Grab an old flexible bicycle brake cable or a thin piece of plastic weed eater line. Gently push it down into the drainage hole located right beneath your gas cap. Push it down until you see dirt drop out from under your rear fender. Flush it with a cup of clean water to ensure it runs completely clear. And if you think a clogged fuel door is dangerous, wait until you hear about the next location that turns your car door into a heavy, rusting water tank. Top 4. The door bottom drains. Moving on to number 4 on our list. This hidden trap will literally turn your car doors into heavy, sloshing water tanks. Imagine this situation. You hit the brakes at a traffic light and suddenly hear a strange, splashing sound. It sounds like water rolling back and forth inside a bucket right next to you. Your window weather stripping is never perfectly airtight. Every time it rains, water bypasses the rubber seals and runs directly down inside the hollow metal shell of your doors. To prevent entrapment, manufacturers punch tiny rectangular drainage holes along the bottom edge of the door skin. Over time, road grime, wax, and debris slide down and form a solid plug over these slots. When water gets trapped inside, it creates a constant high humidity chamber. It eats away the inner zinc coating, causing your door panels to rust from the inside out. Even worse, That rising water level completely submerges your expensive door speakers, power window motors, and central locking actuators. A single storm can short-circuit these electronics, leaving you with a $1,200 electrical repair bill. Fortunately, fixing this will cost you absolutely $0. Open your car door and look at the bottom edge. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or an old toothpick. Gently poke it into the holes and wiggle it around. You will see gallons of trapped water instantly pour out. If this video is saving you from a surprise trip to the mechanic, hit that like button right now. Subscribing to Core Car helps us continue exposing these hidden traps so you can keep your money in your wallet. Done. Awesome. Now let us get straight to number 3, where leaves can easily flood your entire passenger cabin. Top 3. The cowl drains. Moving on to number 3 on our list. This is the first fatal drainage location that can easily destroy your passenger cabin during a heavy rainstorm. Imagine this scenario. You roll out of your driveway on a beautiful autumn morning. The trees are shedding leaves all over your windshield. You turn on your wipers to brush them away, and you drive down the road without a single care in the world. You think those dry leaves simply blew off into the wind, but here is the technical reality that creates a massive problem. Right beneath your windshield wipers sits a large plastic ventilation panel called the cowl. This cowl is designed to catch rushing rainwater and route it through large internal rubber tubes down to your front wheel wells. However, dry leaves, pine needles, and organic debris slip right through the plastic grates. They slide deep inside the dark drainage channel and form a thick, rotting compost pile that completely seals off the escape tubes. This triggers a sudden financial disaster. When the cowl drains are blocked, rainwater has nowhere to go. The water level rapidly rises until it reaches the edge of your fresh air intake vent. From there, gallons of dirty water cascade straight through your cabin air filter and flood your dashboard electronics. It saturates your blower motor, ruins your climate control module, and pours directly onto your front floor mats. This hidden blockage will easily stick you with a $1,500 electrical bill. Fortunately, the solution costs $0. Pop your hood open and look right below the windshield glass. Remove any visible leaves and debris by hand. Next, take your flexible cable and feed it down through the left and right drain holes inside the cowl. Push the wire until it clears the bottom of the vehicle. Flush the system with a jug of clean water to ensure it runs out instantly onto your tires. Now let us move straight to number 2, where an invisible tube inside your roof can destroy your car interior without you ever opening a window. Top 2. The sunroof drains. Moving on to number 2 on our list. This is a highly hidden hazard that can completely destroy your vehicle luxury features without you ever leaving a window open. Picture this common situation. You get into your vehicle after a heavy downpour and notice a strange, yellowish water stain blooming across your beautiful fabric headliner. Even worse, you look up and see actual water droplets slowly puddling around your overhead map lights or dripping directly onto your center console. You check the glass panel, but your sunroof is completely closed and latched. Here is the mechanical reality that car salespeople always hide from you. The rubber seal surrounding your moving glass sunroof is never 100% waterproof. It is actually designed to let a small amount of water seep through. To handle this moisture, manufacturers install a hidden aluminum perimeter tray with 4 flexible drain tubes routed inside your structural roof pillars. These narrow tubes run down through your front windshield pillars and exit beneath your vehicle body. Over time, tree sap, blowing pollen, and fine dust coat the inside of these rubber lines, creating a thick, gelatinous sludge that completely plugs the channel. This triggers a devastating financial disaster. When those tubes clog, rising rainwater overflows the internal tray. It runs directly behind your plastic trim panels, soaking your side curtain airbag inflators and short-circuiting your main wiring harnesses. The water then tracks straight down into your kick panels, saturating your body control module and creating endless electrical ghosts. This hidden flood will easily stick you with a massive $3,000 repair bill.
Fortunately, clearing this requires $0.
Open your sunroof completely and stand on the door sill. Locate the tiny holes in the very front corners of the track mechanism. Take your flexible cable and gently push it down into the opening. Keep feeding the line until you hear it hit the ground below your front fender. Pour a small cup of water into the track to verify it drains instantly onto your driveway. And if you think a leaking sunroof is bad, wait until you see our #1 killer location, which is currently dumping gallons of water directly onto your vehicle main computer brain every single time you turn on your air conditioning. Top 1. The AC evaporator drain. Now we have finally arrived at #1 on our list. This is the ultimate hidden automotive killer because it sits directly inside your passenger cabin right above your main computer system, and it floods your vehicle every single time you turn on your air conditioning. Picture this confusing situation. It is the middle of a blazing hot summer. It has not rained a single drop in over 3 weeks, yet you look down and notice the carpet on your passenger side floorboard is completely soaked. You touch the liquid, but it does not smell like coolant, and it does not smell like fuel. It is perfectly clean, freezing cold water. Here is the mechanical reality that creates a total disaster. Your air conditioning system strips massive amounts of moisture out of the cabin air as it cools. This water collects inside a plastic climate control box behind your dashboard. To let the water escape, manufacturers run a tiny flexible rubber tube from the bottom of the box straight through your metal floor pan to the ground outside. Over time, microscopic dust particles, carpet fibers, and air pollutants mix with the dark moisture. They create a thick, slimy, biological mold that completely seals the rubber exit tube. When this happens, the plastic tray overflows inside your dashboard. This triggers a catastrophic financial threat. The escaping water drips directly onto your central electronic modules, your engine control computer, or your body control module, which are purposefully bolted right below the heating core. This instantly shorts out your main printed circuit boards, killing your engine mid-drive and sticking you with a devastating $3,500 replacement bill. Fortunately, the fix costs $0. Crawl underneath your car right behind the front passenger tire. Look for a small, downward-pointing rubber hose. Push your flexible cable up into that tube about 6 inches and wiggle it around. Pull the wire out and stand back. Gallons of trapped warm water will immediately explode out onto your driveway. Now you know exactly where those 5 fatal drainage holes are hidden, and how a simple $0 cable can save your vehicle from a catastrophic inner flood. But do not get overconfident just yet. Keeping your carpets dry is only half the battle when it comes to protecting your wallet from greedy mechanics. There is an even bigger, more expensive deception happening right under your hood every single time you go in for a routine oil change. In the next video from Core Car, I am pulling back the curtain on 13 specific mechanical scams that 90% of drivers fall for every single day. Click right now to discover the fake fluid flushes and manufactured engine problems that are draining your bank account. See you there.